Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Former schoolboy standout Santos FC and national junior football player Lloyd Anderson has cited a lack of investment in football at the youth level as one of the major reasons Jamaica is not a more potent force on the international stage. Anderson, who is popularly known as Lloydie, captained the 1972 KC Manning Cup team. He now runs the Kicking for Excellence Academy in Maryland in the United States, where he notes that, like Jamaica, the level of coaching is below par. In Jamaica, he attributes that to the lack of investment in coaches and players at the youth level.
I coach soccer in the United States, and there is a lack of development at the youth level, which I also see in Jamaica. The kids have to learn the fundamentals. If they learn the fundamentals, coupled with the skill set, then you get them into the tactical and the technical understanding of the game, so that you can see the quality of their play. It's passing and movement, vision, communication, knowing when to move, where to move.
Anderson asserts that the Reggae Boys' chances of making it to another World Cup will be enhanced by greater levels of investment at the youth level to feed into the national senior program.
I don't see it at the level where it should be, based on where we are coming from. We went through qualifying for the 98 World Cup. Our level of soccer should be upwards. Teams should fear us. We should be playing at such level right now that our brand should be worldwide. We are not getting to the point where we are invested in the youth enough.
Anderson was sharing his thoughts with TVJ Sports recently at a youth football clinic in Porus, Manchester.